Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I'm working on I think it's a 12 by 20 inch canvas. I am using Phato Green, beautiful, beautiful colour, and I decided I'm going to do a split pour, and it'll be a Christmas pour. So unfortunately everybody celebrates Christmas before my birthday, but being a December born, that's what happens. So I decided to get my Christmas one in now already. Right, so I'm just covering the canvas. Now this Phato Green is absolutely beautiful. I get such fantastic results with it. So I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all looking forward to Christmas. It seems to be just around the corner. I haven't really done too much this year. It's kind of been a bit of a strange one for everybody. Right, so I am going to cover my edges before I finish, before I start my pour. So this green can be a bit translucent, so even if I have to touch up my edges or my sides after, that would be perfectly okay. Alright, so that being done, so here I have medium yellow, and I'm just going to cover this 1/3. And next I will be using titanium white. So I'll put my white in the center. Alright, and I'll spread that around. Alright, I'm going to give that a quick torch. So if you haven't seen my previous video with the pearl cells, it really turned out great. Please go ahead and see it. It's the video before this. Okay, now to make the decision. I think I'm going to go with red. So I'll do the red first. And over here I'm going to go in with this yellow, which is B.A.D Florescent Yellow, and I love that with that green. I'm going to add it here as well, even though I've got yellow here already, but it's two different yellows. And then I have silver. So this is metallic silver. Right, so on this side here I'm going to go in with a green, you know, because we need the opposites. Maybe I'll just go with a bit of white there. That could make for something interesting. Okay, so I'll quickly give that a torch. Let's see, I'm not sure which direction I'm going to go in. Okay guys, I'm going to try and blow a little bit over here without getting myself full of paint. And I'll do the same on this side. I think that's a bit better. Alright guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, this is it. I think these colours are amazing. That silver is really beautiful. It really shimmers. And I love all the cells and the lacing. I love these lines going around. It's almost like individual colours. And this one here, they all seem to be a little different from each other. They're very Christmassy, I think. Anyway guys, please like, share, subscribe, ring your notification bell, put it on all so you don't miss a next video. And if you're interested in any of my artwork, you can contact me on withbade@gmail.com. All the details and everything are in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.